everyone. I'd like to come on here to apologize for disrespecting the Allah and Jesus fan base. I did not mean any harm towards them or their fans. Please stop harassing me because it's really difficult having to wake up to so much hate every single day. To make it up to everyone, I will be a Christian Muslim for 1 week. Amen, my babies. Oh, and don't forget to like this video and hit that follow button for good luck.
Eu vou largar minha casa e pra ficar no jacaré. Eu vou largar minha casa e pra ficar no jacaré. Lá nada tira a vontade do bolinha.
Also have fun in Juvenile.
Bella the Wolf is accused of being incredibly cringy, incredibly offensive, and extremely terrible rage bait. Bella, you stand trial in this United States court, and you will be treated with justice.